What is a VA loan? Hi, I'm Kevin Guttman, Senior Mortgage Banker here. Today I will be covering the basics of the VA loan. So what is a VA home loan? The VA loan became known in 1944 through the GI Bill of Rights. The GI Bill was signed into law by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt and provided veterans a federally guaranteed home loan with no down payment. This feature was designed to provide housing and assistance for veterans and their families. The dream of home ownership became a reality for millions of veterans. The GI Bill contributed more than any other program in history to the welfare of veterans and their families, and to the growth of the nation's economy. The VA Home Loan Program allows veterans with qualifying income and credit to purchase a primary residence without putting any money down towards the sale price of the home, as long as that sale price does not exceed the appraised value of the home. Veterans do need money towards closing costs as well as earnest money, which the seller generally requires when a sales contract is signed. Closing costs may be paid by the seller, which can be negotiated when the sale price of the home is set. This loan is attractive and has many advantages to veterans. Eligibility for the VA loan is defined as veterans who served on active duty and have an honorable discharge after a minimum of 90 days of service during wartime or a minimum of 181 continuous days of service during peacetime. There is a 2-year requirement if the veteran enlisted and began service after September 7, 1980, or was an officer and began service after October 16, 1981. There is a 6-year requirement for National Guards and reservists with certain criteria, and there are specific rules concerning the eligibility of surviving spouses. VA has set a loan limit with a maximum loan amount of $417,000, which generally is the appraised value of the property or the purchase price, whichever is less. Plus, the funding fee may be rolled into the loan. All veterans must qualify, for they're not automatically eligible for the VA program. VA guarantees their loans made by banks and mortgage companies to eligible veterans for the purchase of a home, which must be their primary residence. The guarantee means that the lender is protected against loss if you or a later owner fails to repay the loan. The guarantee replaces the protection a lender normally receives by requiring a down payment, allowing you to obtain favorable financing terms and no down payment. So this is a great loan for active duty service members and veterans. If you're ready to use your VA eligibility to buy a home, give us a call at the number below. And as always, have a great mortgage day.